In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Whether you're setting up your account for the first time or simply need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the login process smoothly. First, start by opening your preferred web browser and directing it to the Salesforce homepage. You can easily find this page by typing Salesforce into your search engine, or you can use the specific link to their main site if you already have that handy. Once you land on the Salesforce homepage, you'll notice the layout is simple and user-friendly, which makes finding your way around much easier. Next, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the page. Here you will find the login section. Instead of immediately clicking anything, hover your mouse over the login button. As you do this, a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of login options. Now, because we are specifically interested in accessing the Marketing Cloud, you should look for the Marketing Cloud link within this drop-down menu. Click on it and you will be redirected to the Marketing Cloud login page. When the Marketing Cloud login page loads, you'll see fields where you need to enter your credentials. These are your username and password which you or your organization would have set up when your Marketing Cloud account was first created. If you're setting this up for the first time, make sure your credentials are secure, something unique and not easily guessed, to protect your account from unauthorized access. Now, before you hit the login button, a quick reminder, make sure your caps lock is turned off, as passwords are case sensitive, and double check that there are no spaces before or after your username or password, as these can lead to login errors. It might seem like a small thing, but it's an easy oversight. After you've entered your credentials and are confident they're correct, go ahead and click the login button. If everything is entered correctly, you should now have access to your Salesforce Marketing Cloud dashboard. From here you can manage your marketing campaigns, analyze performance data, and take advantage of all the powerful tools Salesforce has to offer. In instances where your login attempt is unsuccessful, take a moment to recheck your details and ensure they are accurate. If you forget your password, there's usually a forgot password link under the login form, which you can use to reset your password through your email. With this simple login guide, you should now be able to access the Salesforce Marketing Cloud with ease. Enjoy exploring all the functionalities and features it provides. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep optimizing and exploring new possibilities with your marketing strategies.